Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to send money from Cash App to Wells Fargo in 2025. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or transferring funds for everyday needs, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Cash App and a Wells Fargo account ready to go. You'll need to verify your bank details for a smooth transfer. Start by opening the Cash App on your phone. It's that green icon you probably use all the time. Once you're in, tap on the Banking tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where the magic happens. Next, look for the option to link your bank account. If you haven't already connected your Wells Fargo account, you'll need to add it here. Cash App makes this simple. Just enter your Wells Fargo login details or use the bank's verification process. Pro tip: double-check that your accounts are linked correctly to avoid any delays. Now, head over to the Cash Out or Transfer section. Enter the amount you want to send from your Cash App balance to Wells Fargo. Be precise. Type in the exact dollar amount and select your Wells Fargo account as the destination. You'll see a summary of the transaction, including any potential fees. In 2025, Cash App has streamlined this with faster processing, but fees might vary based on your account type, so keep an eye out. Hit Confirm to finalize the transfer. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the money should appear in your Wells Fargo account within minutes, thanks to instant transfer options. If it's your first time, it might take a bit longer, so don't panic. One more thing. Always monitor your accounts for security. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to protect your funds. If you run into any issues, like an error message, contact Cash App or Wells Fargo support right away. There you have it. That's how you send money from Cash App to Wells Fargo in 2025. It's quicker and safer than ever. If this helped, give us a like, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.